Okay guys, you may or may not get a chance to do this, but it will live as a very good exemplar. I have cheated, so those of you that know the theme, you'll pick it up straight away, but it's an absolutely brilliant one to look at motif writing, because this theme alone has 3 in it. Remember, a motif is simply a melodic or rhythmical idea that can be extrapolated, repeated, flipped on its head, reversed, whatever you want to do to it. So if you think it's something as simple as Jaws, which is 2 notes, this original motif here from a hopefully movie you've seen. If you haven't seen it, you're not really belonging in my classroom. Simply starts like this. So that's obviously motif 1, and then motif 2 would start here. Straight away. Okay, I've inverted the order of those notes there, and just flipped basically where the tones and semitones lie. Motif 3, hopefully by now it's starting to be a bit of a giveaway, but this is how motif 3 can be used a little bit later. Okay, so listen out for the 3 motives in this piece, and I have put diagrams of how you can manipulate them, adjust them, change them, space them out, compress them together. There's heaps of things you can do. Again, like I always have Pro Tools, just play, just muck around. Okay, you can't break it, and if you do break it, just press Control Z. Nothing's going to happen, but the more you can experiment with this, if you get time, the better it's going to be for every single piece of assessment. Okay. So you'll see at bar 12 there, once I do start playing, it's going to get straight into sequence and repetition, but that's all based around the original motif. So let's have a listen. Okay, so here's the repetition and sequencing. Simply changing the length of notes, but the same sort of melodic pattern. You'll see there, I haven't lined it up, but that's an example of overlapping the 2 motifs. So you've got the dun 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 beneath the original motif there of 1 and 2. So I'll let you try and work out what that one is, but think about the first motif, okay? The rhythm's not the same, but there is something happening there to do with the spacing of the notes. Anyway, let's keep going. And this is where most composers really earn their chops. So I wouldn't expect anything of this nature. This is just simply knowing exactly how to reverse and change the order of an epic scale. So you can see this is going across 3 octaves, but again, it's all just patterns. So if you want to be someone like Angel and write down all the patterns, go right ahead, because it does work mathematically once you do it, okay? So I'll go back 2 bars, and then we should be heading towards the end of the song. So that melodic inversion there, hopefully you heard, it's just the flipped version of what's down here, okay? I don't know why I had those in there, I'll just get rid of it because it's already annoying me. Again, see, you made a mistake, simply click on it and delete. Okay, so check it out. Have fun. Motifs are heaps of fun to do, and they're really, really important when you're trying to show a character, personality, or even just set an atmosphere or scene. Instrumentation can make a huge difference. So the heroic nature of this one was obviously due to the timbre. You could add heaps of strings, you could add heaps of synthetic sounds, but that's just an example on piano and one other instrument.